Topic for today: commutative property. What is commutative property of addition? Example of commutative property of addition. Commutative property of multiplication definition. And here's our first topic for today: commutative property. The commutative property states the numbers on which operator can remove or swap from their positions without making any difference to the answer. The property holds for additions and multiplications, but not for subtractions and divisions. Guys, later, I will show you some example of commutative property. But for now, let's proceed first to our next topic, which is, what is commutative property of addition? Commutative property of addition. To commute means to travel or move around. The commutative property of addition states that can change in order the numbers being added does not affect the sum. We can define commutative property of addition as adding the numbers in any order will give the same answer. And here's some example in commutative property of addition. And now, let's proceed to our next topic, which is commutative property of multiplication definition. Commutative property of multiplication says that the order of the factors in a multiplication sentence has no effect on the product. The commutative property of multiplication works in integers, fractions, decimals, exponents, and algebraic equations. Commutative property of multiplication example, switching the order of the multiplicand, the first factors, and the multiplier, the second factors, does not change the product. Guys, did you know subtraction is not commutative? Well, because changing the order of the numbers changes the answers. Subtraction is not commutative. This means that the order of the numbers in the subtractions matters. For example, 10 minus 2 equal 8. If we can take 2 away from 10 because 2 is less than 10. If we switch the order of the numbers, 2 minus 10 equal 8. Without using negative numbers, we cannot take 10 from 2. We cannot subtract more than we start with without going into negative numbers. We see that the largest number in the subtract comes first. Unless we are using negative numbers, 10 minus 2 does not equal the same as 2 minus 10. Why division is not commutative property? Because you can get different results depending on what order you arrange the terms. For example, 10 divided 5 equal 2. 5 divided 10 equals 0.5. Now, as you can see, 10 divided by 5 is not the same as 5 divided by 10. Another example, 6 divided 3 equal 2. 3 divided 6 equals 0.5. That's why division is not commutative property. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video for today. Stay safe and God bless!